Hi, it's Liz Sneddon. Let's have a look at sampling methods for Year 11s. So a reminder that when we talk about the sample, we're talking about a group of people or items that have been selected from the population. So a sampling method is the method of how we go about actually taking the sample from that population. So one of the things that we want to think about is this idea of bias. So you'll notice I've got two groups here and shown in the little purple blobs. So the top one is a group that is a biased group, because if I go back to my population, so the original population, I've got a mixture of people of different colours in my population, and here in the bias sample I've only got the green ones. So a bias is something that's going to mean that I've got a systematic issue where my sample will not be representative. Okay, so a bias, if you've got a biased opinion, I might love Nike and not love Adidas, or I might love Macintosh and not like PCs. So a bias is something where you're not neutral about it. So an unbiased, which is when we get our representative from, means we've got a mixture of all of those characteristics. So that idea of representative that we talked about in the last video. So if we use a random method, we are likely, not guaranteed, but very likely to get a representative data. If I use a biased method, I will not get representative data. So another way to think about it is what is the chance that everyone is chosen from the population. And if I have my population back here, if every person in this population has an equal chance of being chosen, then that means that they would be using a random sampling method. If the people who are green are more likely to be chosen, then that leads to a biased sample, that not everyone has an equal chance of being chosen. Thanks for watching.